With Elliots Coolers and Freezers. We're located here in Jacksonville, Florida. We build customized walk-in coolers, freezers, for all kind of different applications. We buy all of our equipment from Tropic Supply, located here in Jacksonville. We buy the Russell equipment, which is the most dependable for us. I like the coils. The coils come with the built-in solenoids and the valves. That saves my guys a lot of time in the field to not have to worry about installing all of this stuff and possibly any more leaks. We like the condensing units, the outdoor models. They come with a what I call a doghouse or a cover for the weather protection. Those parts are already installed on it. So we can just basically come in, run our copper straight to the unit, do our control wiring, and start it up. We've been doing business with Tropic now for probably close to 2 years, and we've been in business here in Jacksonville since 1970. And we've purchased from every distributor there is, and Tropic has our business, and we will never change from them. They're reliable, dependable. The equipment they sell is reliable and dependable. If there is an issue, they are right on top of it. They get it handled for us. Their customer service, from the people we deal with in the field to their counter personnel, are second to none. They help us with everything we have. When we need a quote, they are on top of getting the quotes right back to us. And like I said, they're just a great partner for us to do jobs with. I feel like I have a partner more so than I do an equipment supplier. And to me, that is huge, so I can give my customers what they need. And so that is what we look for, in Tropic and with Russell. And we don't ever plan on changing from them or Russell equipment. Thank you.